All right, a look from our Luther Family Ford location, a gorgeous setting sun as we get used to this new sunset time here after just having turned our clocks back over the weekend. And the winter weather certainly hasn't changed. Temperatures across the valley are chilly. It's 26 out at Hector. It feels like 13 degrees. Those winds from the northwest biting at 20 miles per hour. So any of your outdoor activities, you want to bundle up out there. And we already have 19 degrees on the actual air thermometer in Langdon, 23 for Cavalier, 25 in Grand Forks. A lot of 20s across the Southern Valley and across Lakes Country, where right now Fergus Falls is at 27. One of the warm spots, though, how about Sisseton and the Wahpeton areas, both at 30 degrees. All right, nobody's very balmy. The showers of snow that made their way through the region earlier today, pushing well off to the east and drying up a little bit as we're starting to see a few breaks in the cloud cover. We noticed that on the time lapse there just moments ago. And look at this cold air diving all the way into the Central Plains. Not a lot of change here. We have unsettled weather through the Rocky Mountains. Looking upwind, northwest flow, a slow moving low pressure system up near Hudson's Bay means our weather pattern really is not going to shift a lot over the course of the next several days. Here's the cold pool of air. We're right in the middle of that, and temperatures have rebounded down to the south into the 60s, but that's a little cool for this time of the year for them. So your hour-by-hour forecast looks like this. Partial clearing this evening and temperatures in the 20s for most and teens, as we've noticed near the Langdon area already. That will continue. Cannot rule out a spotty flurry of snow, but all in all, it looks fairly quiet. Now, heading into the morning, because of the clearing, it looks cold. I would not be surprised to see a single-digit reading up near Walhalla, Langdon, Rolla. Oh, briefly, that's very chilly to start your Tuesday, but a little bit of early day sun as we get things started. Does it last? Here's the forecast for your midday hour. Increasing clouds out to the west. We'll have sunshine through much of the valley and northwest Minnesota, although it will not be as clear as it looks here. We're going to see a fair amount of cloud cover thanks to that stuck low up there by Hudson's Bay. All in all, though, the first half of the day quiet. Look what happens as we head towards the dinner hour. Snow pushing into the central part of the Dakotas. For most of our counties, though, we get through drive time without much slippery and slimy weather working its way in. But it's the evening chances when that increases. From Devil's Lake and Minot through Fargo, Moorhead, and possibly even Grand Forks as well. Nighttime flakes of snow will set the stage for your Tuesday night. So we'll have a chance at seeing some sunshine in the first half of the day. Temperatures climbing from the teens to the 20s and near 30. And then after that, it looks like we'll see increasing clouds and a chance of flakes as we go into the evening hours. There's a shot at 30 degrees or a little better in southeast North Dakota. Our northern counties will struggle to get through and into the mid-20s for the afternoon. Upper 20s to around 30 degrees in most of Lakes Country. And here is a beautiful shot. Thanks so much, Doris, for uploading your berry photo. Very nice with the bird up there trying to, well, maybe fatten up a little bit as we head into what has been a very cold fall season. All right, tomorrow it's voting day, by the way, and then as we go into the midweek forecast, it looks like we stay cool with temperatures peaking only in the 20s. Remember, our chance of snow Tuesday comes late and into Wednesday. After that, quieter weather and drier weather will carry temperatures back into the mid-30s for the weekend of the Big Bison game. If you're tailgating out there, a chance of a flake or two of snow and temperatures around freezing. And then it just gets a little more ridiculous into Sunday and next week with highs only in the low 20s. But, you know, I guess it's that time of the year where we just need to
get used to it.
Pull ourselves up by our bootstraps.
Right. Too bad we have to have those
boots. Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Yeah. Thanks so
you
much.
bet.